Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have got another easy guide for you in a simple way. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you the RXVCA GlideAir review in 2026 and whether it really works or is a scam. The GlideAir is pushed as a smart eco fan with features like high airflow, ultra-quiet operation, a temperature sensor, and both pedestal and tabletop setup. In tests, it seems to deliver decent airflow and has a quiet mode that people like, especially for smaller rooms or nighttime use. But there are warning signs. The marketing oversells room coverage and AC-like performance. The brand's transparency is low, and some customer reviews say the item either arrived late, delivered something different, or didn't match the advertised quality. Overall, it appears more real than fake, but do not expect it to cool like a true air conditioner. If you need something for personal comfort, it could be okay. Just keep expectations realistic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.